mask, but you should be wearing a face covering on public transport. And the shops open today. Clothes shops, bookshops, all the shops that you might well have been missing. Or are you going to ring me and say you haven't missed them at all? There's nothing you want? Or are you going to ring me and say, well, where am I going to go? Why would I be buying any clothes? I don't know if I'm going to be able to go on holiday, even a one night away at the seaside in this country, a staycation. Don't know if we're even going to be able to have that, so I don't need to buy any of those clothes. Actually, I've learned to just wear nothing but tracksuit bottoms and the t-shirt that I was already asleep in, so I don't need any clothes. I'm not going to buy that. No, thank you. Not going shopping at all. Or do you simply not feel confident of being safe in a shop? How do you feel about the whole thing? Can you simply not wait to get shopping, or are you doing the very opposite today, giving the shops the widest of possible berths? The number's 0800 731 2000. If you're going to be working in a shop today, if you only run a shop, how have you sorted it out so that people will feel safe and so that they will get back into the swing of going shopping again? 0800 731 2000. It's a free phone number, and we will be straight back with you after Make a Difference.
BBC Radio Live.
Make a difference.
Thanks, Vanessa. Well, today is the start of week 2 of the London Youth Games, and this year it's a bit different because it's all virtual, but there's plenty of ways that youngsters can get involved and represent their borough. Usually the games will see children and teenagers competing in a variety of sports, with a finals weekend at Crystal Palace. Well, obviously that's not possible this year, but the organisers have taken the event online, and any young person has the chance to take on physical challenges, post the results online, and it will be added to the borough's total score. Every Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, they're posting a challenge on their social media, and competitors